Guys, I just got this magical poppet, and I have a brilliant idea. I want to go to the trading center and wish people their dream fidgets. But first, let's just hope that there's people at the trading hut. Okay, here I go. Oh no, 0 people are active. Let's press it again. That's better. Hi, can you please take that poppet out because I don't really want it. Wait. No, I'm here to ask you, what's your dream fidget? My dream fidget is actually a glow-in-the-dark triple dimple. Okay, can I please get a glow-in-the-dark triple dimple? Here you go. Oh my goodness, thank you so much. There's no way I just got this. No problem, enjoy. Okay, let's press it again. Here we go. Hi, what's your dream fidget? My dream fidget is actually a dimple digit. The only fidget I have right now is this boring flippy octopus, so I'll put it in. No, just take that out. I'll get you your dream fidget. Wait, really? Yes, just watch. I wish for a dimple digit. Here you go. Oh my gosh. There's no way you just got my dream fidget. Bye, hope you enjoy. Now let's do the last person. There we go. Hi, what's your dream fidget? She has a legendary magical poppet. What's your dream fidget? My dream fidget is definitely a planet dimple. Sure thing. I wish for a planet dimple. Here you go. Oh my goodness, there's no way. Bye for now. Wait a moment, I have another dream fidget. Okay, what is it? It's a jumbo butterfly poppet if you don't mind me asking. Okay, I wish for a jumbo butterfly poppet. Here you go. That's not all of my dream fidgets though. What? Okay, what is your other dream fidget? It's actually 4 owl poppet. This is kind of strange, but can I please get 4 owl poppets? Here you go. Thank you so much, but that's not quite all. Wait, how many fidgets do you have? My dream fidgets that you just gave me. These are all of my fidgets now. I literally only have 2 more bubbles left, and I wasted them all on you, and you still want more? Yes, pretty please, just use the 2 last bubbles on me. No. Well, you just got scammed. Moin now. Guys, my DNA ball just popped. Okay, I just took them out, and I only have globbles, and look at the girl in front of me. Oh my gosh. I don't know why, but she always comes in front of me. It's literally just like she wants to get scammed. I could really use a scam right now because all of my fidgets are like gone except for globbles. Hey, what will you give me for these mini globbles? Oh my gosh, are those even out yet? They've been out. Oh my gosh, I've never even seen them before. Yeah, that's because nobody can find them. Oh my gosh, I'll give you all of my textured poppets. Add. My squared poppets. Add. Oh my gosh, my octagon poppets. Add. I'll give you all of my Nidos. Add. I'm so over, but I'll give you all of my wacky traps. Accept. These don't even stick. Guys, that was too easy. Ow. Fidget trading with my sister. Okay, what will you offer for my triple dimple? I'll give you the simple dimple, a pop tube, and a fuzzy tingle. I will accept this trade. Okay, guys, look at my new fidgets. I'll offer this pineapple poppet and a yellow ASMR pod. Okay, I will offer all of my globbles, a carrot poppet, and a pea popper. You were way over. I know, I think I got scammed. Okay, well, anyway, offer for my poppet. Okay, I don't really like purple, but I'll give you this orange poppet. Wait, a Hockley's poppet? I will accept this trade. Wait, where do you even get these kinds of poppets? In my link in bio leads you to their shop. What's the name of the shop? Hockley store. Yes. Okay, well, anyway, what would you give me for this Orbeez glob ball? I'll give you globbles and a tube. Okay, I will accept this. Offer for this big Orbeez stress ball. I'll give you a poppet. Never mind, this sucks. Creamax. Okay, offer for this. I'll give you this purple poppet and globbles. Okay, and accept. I'm not happy with any of my fidgets, so I don't want them. Oh my gosh, guys, my package just came. I'll see you guys when I get home so I can unbox it. Hey everyone, so I just got back home and now I'm so excited to unbox this. This package actually arrived pretty fast and I definitely know what it is. Also, I did buy this with my own money, but now let's get straight into it. Let's unbox it. Oh my gosh, guys, it's the poppet that I ordered. The quality on this is already amazing. Now let's unbox the clear wrap. Now for the final test, let's test out the popping. Okay, this is the quiet side. Now the loud side. Guys, this poppet is so loud. This has a mixture of a poppet and a dimple. Overall, I do recommend getting this kind of poppet. Bye, everyone! Guys, I love my new planet Dimple. I'm never gonna trade it, and it's even Galaxy. Hi, can I please offer? It depends. Your offer has to be really good because I just got my dream fidget. Okay, sure thing. I'll give you this green wacky track, this glow-in-the-dark triple dimple, and lastly, this spinning dimple. I'm sorry, but your offer is really good and all, but you need to add. But these are the only fidgets I have. You should try looking around the lost and found. Okay, stay right here. Guys, I'm gonna go over right now. Here we are. There's literally trash everywhere. I think I'm gonna have to tell her that there's no fidgets. Oh my gosh, wait, I have a great idea. I'm gonna need this, and this, and this, and this. That's better. Now I'm gonna put these two together. I have them both done, so now let's go back to the girl. I'm back, and I literally found brand new fidget. There's no way. I was literally planning on unboxing some fidgets for my fidget account. I would totally do it. Here, have this. Oh my gosh, thank you so much. Guys, I can't believe I just got my dream fidget. Thank you guys so much for 1.5 million followers on TikTok. We're so close to 1.6 million. Also, if you're interested in any of the products we use in this video, make sure to shop the link in our bio. And make sure to use code KD02 for 10% off any of your purchase. Hey everyone, so I just got these brand new mini poppets, and I'm so excited to open them. I also never had mini poppets before. Anyway, let's open them. Oh my gosh, they look so cool. The colors on these are so pretty. Anyways, I haven't tested the popping, so let's go. This is the loud side, and this is the quiet side. They pop really cool. I definitely recommend getting mini poppets. Bye everyone.